Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best non-stick grill pans in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Green Pan Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Grill Pan. The Prime Midnight Collection brings together flawless function and style. This grill pan is crafted from durable hard anodized aluminium for maximum strength and scratch protection, while Green Pan's metal utensil safe thermal and healthy ceramic non-stick coating is reinforced with diamonds to make it extra tough and give it effortless performance. Drip-free edges allow for easy pouring, and the polished stainless steel handles give you a secure grip. The Prime Midnight Collection brings together flawless function and style. Crafted from durable hard anodized aluminium for maximum strength and scratch protection, Green Pan's metal utensil safe ceramic non-stick coating offers effortless performance. Manufactured without fuzz, lead or cadmium, our healthy coating lets you focus on the food for effortless cooking. Drip-free edges allow for easy pouring, and the polished stainless steel handle gives you a secure grip. Green Pan's signature ceramic non-stick coating is free of fuzz, lead and cadmium, so you can make any meal healthier. The riveted, ergonomic design of this durable handle gives you a secure and comfortable grip. It's also oven safe up to 600 F. Hard anodized body is scratch resistant and dishwasher safe. Ceramic non-stick diamond reinforced ceramic non-stick is metal utensil safe and free of fuzz, lead and cadmium. Polished handles. Shiny stainless steel handles are ergonomic and oven safe. Forged base are tough. Thick base prevents warping and is suitable for all stovetops except induction. Tempered glass lid. Keep an eye on your food without sacrificing heat. Oven safe up to 425 F. Number 2. Our second best pick is OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Black Grill Pan. This hard anodized aluminium grill pan is built with durability and convenience in mind. More than 4,000 Amazon shoppers love its heat distribution and slide off the pan non-stick coating. Note: it's hand wash only and is not compatible with induction stovetops. Featuring heavy gauge aluminium construction under dishwasher safe non-stick coating, OXO Hard Anodized Non-Stick Pro Cookware features outstanding durability, rapid, even heating and effortless food release to deliver exceptional cooking performance. OXO Good Grips Hard Anodized Pro Non-Stick 11 inches square griddle allows you to easily prepare your favorite breakfast fare like pancakes, omelets, bacon, and so much more. Hard anodized aluminium construction ensures fast, even heating plus superior durability. Cooking surface features a durable non-stick coating for effortless food release and quick cleanup. Gray hard anodized exterior, suitable for use with all stove types, except induction. Riveted stay cool side handles. Drip-free pouring edge. Heavy gauge aluminium. Dishwasher safe. Measures 11 inches square. Lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Number 3. Our third best pick is Green Pan Chatham Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 11 inches Grill Pan. Make every day easy with the Chatham 11 inches Grill Pan. From bacon to pancakes, this 11 inches grill pan is your go-to kitchen tool for breakfast spreads. Chatham features Green Pan's thermal and healthy ceramic non-stick coating, which is reinforced with diamonds for incredible durability. It's even metal utensil safe, thermal, and does what other non-stick coatings can't: fry, sear, braise, and deglaze with non-stick ease. This griddle is constructed with durable hard anodized aluminium for maximum strength, scratch protection, and chip resistance. It's free of fuzz, lead, and cadmium to keep your kitchen worry-free for years to come. The 11 inches grill pan wipes clean, but it's dishwasher safe for big messes. Drip-free edges allow for easy pouring, and the durable stainless steel handles give you a secure grip. Oven safe and broiler safe. Green Panchatum is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Features: Green Pan's thermal and healthy ceramic non-stick coating is free of fuzz, lead and cadmium, so it will never release toxic fumes, even if it's accidentally overheated. Metal utensil safe. This collection's diamond-reinforced coating is incredibly durable. Tough hard anodized body is scratch-resistant and designed to stand up to daily demands. Oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Matte stainless steel handle features a riveted, ergonomic design for a secure and comfortable grip. Suitable for all stovetops except induction. From bacon to pancakes, this 11 inches grill pan is your go-to pan for breakfast spreads. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Calphalon Signature Non-Stick 12 inches round grill pan. This round pan from Calphalon will fit your burners, while the non-stick surface makes cooking and cleanup much easier. Made of hard anodized aluminium, this pan is much lighter than a similar cast iron pan, so it's easier to handle. The non-stick interior is metal utensil safe, so you don't need to worry about using a metal spatula to retrieve your burger. This model is also oven safe up to 500 degrees, so you can finish off steaks in the oven after searing. The brushed stainless steel handle stays cool during stovetop cooking, and for easy cleaning, the pan is dishwasher safe. What we like: lighter and easier to handle than cast iron. Oven safe to 500 degrees. Resists scratches from metal utensils. What we don't like: gets harder to clean with time. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is an all-in advanced hard anodized non-stick square griddle pan. Most grill pans have low sides, but this one has high sides that help protect from splattering, whether you're using this on the stove or in the oven at up to 400 degrees. The high sides also let you use the pan for sauces when grilling is done and makes it even more useful for roasting juicy chicken or roasts. The non-stick surface is metal utensil safe and offers superior food release and easy cleanup. The handle is designed to be comfortable, with a secure rubberized grip that stays cool during cooking, and it has dual rivets for security. A channel around the outer edges of the pan collects and holds liquids, while the pour spouts on either side of the pan make it easy to drain those excess fats and liquids. Our reviewer found that using this pan required some trial and error to figure out where the sweet spot was in terms of heat. Once you've figured it out, it makes beautiful char marks on whatever you're cooking, from steaks to French toast. What we like: spacious with high sides to prevent splatter, easy to clean, oven safe. What we don't like: oven safe only to 400 degrees. Takes a while to get used to. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.